2000 Chevy Corvette. We did something special on it for you guys. I know you guys never seen this. It's got long tube headers, high flow cats, then a MAGNAFLOW X pipe right there, then 2 1/4 pipe tailpipes into a MAGNAFLOW system there and there. And then what we did is put 2 cutouts on it right there. He went to like 5, 6 different muffler shops. Nobody wants to do it. They didn't know how to do it. He just wants cutouts because the MAGNAFLOWs, he was expecting them to be a little bit louder and they're not. So he's like, I want more sound. And I don't blame him. It's a Corvette. You want sound out of it. So there's the cutouts right there. So it'll give it a little bit more sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Chevy Corvette. Oh, much better. Big difference. The customer's happy, we're happy. What happened? It's been sitting so long, that's why. Battery's dying. Give it gas for sound decibels. 112. Go ahead and back it up. Better. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's how MAGNAFLOW should. As a beast. Let the beast be released. Yeah, that writes. Hopefully he'll hit it. C5.